Welcome back. In the previous video, I had given few questions and I had asked you to solve it from the 7th question onwards. So let's begin with the 7th question. So terms are taken here. 7th question. It is integration of x square minus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 4 into x minus 1 respect to x. So judgment already we have taken. Put x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to t. So that we are left out with differentiation. It is 2x. Differentiation of minus 2x with respect to x is minus 2. Constant term derivative 0 is equal to dt by dx. So now requirement is x minus 1, and to fulfill the condition 2 had taken common, so that we are left out with x minus 1 is equal to dt by dx, and then x minus 1 with respect to x. X minus 1 with respect to x can be balanced with 2 transferred. We have 1 by 2 with respect to t. So this step as well as this step. Let me come back in I. Let's see. I is equal to its integration of illi haktira terms in. So we have x square minus 2x plus 3 illi nodi illi hakta idira. We are left out with the t. Mele power nodi. This is not included in substitution. Istane na replace marta idini. So this has to be considered here. It is t raised to 4. X minus 1 with respect to x to be replaced by it is half of dt. Got it? Now this term, if it is ready to integrate, yeah, definitely 1 by 2 constant. We have t raised to 4 with respect to t. So let's go for 1 by 2 integration of t raised to 4 should be taken as t raised to 5, denominator 5, integration completed. So we have plus c. So let's balance. We have 1 by here 5 to z 10. T, replace it back. What is t? Is taken as x square minus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 5, isn't it? Plus c should be the answer. Okay, solve it on your own. So 8th question I given, it's integration of x upon root of x square plus 1 with respect to x. So judgment, that is put x square plus 1 is equal to t. Root na hakondri, put root of antantandre enagatte first integration of root of, sorry, differentiation of root of agutte 1 upon 2 root of anta. So hage madkondre neevu ee term nimge sigalla. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗುದ್ದಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ I will not be ready to integrate. So that's what judgment I had taken in previous 6 examples which I discussed. There also I gave the same point of view. ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ x ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ. Then you'll get an idea out of all the possibility, one possibility which will make the function integration possible with stand function. So let's come back with I. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ substitute. Okay, here I had taken x square plus 1 is equal to t. Differentiation we had 2x. Constant term derivative 0 ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಹಾಗೆ dt by dx. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು x with respect to x. So I could balance it here with an operator. X with respect to x can be taken as half of dt. So once we go for the same back here, it's integration of numerator can be taken as ನೋಡಿ x dx. Here x dx. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು we have half of dt. Denominator I find within a root I find it is t. It is t, root of t. So this term can be balanced here as 1 by 2 constant. We have integration of 1 by root t nodi. This is 1 by root t. Isn't it? So this can be taken as t raised to numerator togondre we have minus half with respect to t. Because in integration we know it very well. It's integration of x raised to n with respect to x. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು x raised to n ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತರಲೇಬೇಕು. So I take it as t raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 kept as it is. We have t raised to integration begins. We have minus half plus 1. X raised to n. X raised to integration adre. X raised to n plus 1. Denominator idne barkotira n idne n plus 1. Which I can simplify. 1 minus half is 1 by 2. Half. Plus integration completed. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 and 2 get cancelled. ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ 2 ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ it comes its denominator it can be taken balanced as 2 by 2 and then the terms are going to cancel. So here we are left with t raised to half ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus half ಅಥವಾ 2 LCM ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ minus 1 plus 2 2 minus 1 1 2 is LCM. Okay, plus c. So 2 gets eliminated. We are left out with it is t raised to half plus c. Adre t replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. What is t? x square plus 1. So I can take it as x square plus 1 raised to half plus c, or even I can take it as square root of x square plus 1 plus c can be the answer. So this is the 8th question which I done. Let's move on for the 9th question. So 9th question, I have given the list of question in the previous video also. This is 9th question. It is the integration of sec cube x into tan x. Meanwhile, I gave solutions also. You can give a pause to the video, you can try, and then you can come back with the solution part. 10th question, 11th, solutions are here. Respective terms, solutions are given here. You can make a note of this question and let me begin with the solution part. So we find 9th question as it is the integration of secant cube x into tan x with respect to x. So I find here, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೀಕನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೀಕನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೀಕನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್, ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ರೂಢಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೆಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎರಡೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ. ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟಿ 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 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ which is ready to integrate. So I am balancing here. Let's go for one more step. We have sec x into tan x with respect to x is equal to dt. And ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ I ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So we are left out with I is equal to sec x, I should take it as t square. Sec x into tan x with respect to x can be replaced by dt. So that ready for integration. We have integration of t square. X raised to n formula there, 2 plus 1, 3, denominator 3 plus c. So t replace it back, we have taken t here, sec cube, sec x. We have sec cube x right now after integration part is done, denominator 3 plus c should be the answer. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are left out with differentiation d by dx. I am asking you 3 R3 E3 coefficient ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಉಳಿಯೋದು 3 secant square x into differentiation of sec x will be chain rule, under chain rule sec x into tan x. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸಿಗೋದು secant cube x into tan x. ಅದರದೇ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ. got it? So a small trick you have to play here. Of course not so difficult. As and how you practice the question you will come to know. So let's begin with the 10th question. 10th question I given here, integration of sin x, denominator we find root of 1 minus 3 cos x, okay, with respect to x. So what comes in your mind? Differentiation of sin is cos, but cos is occurring in denominator. Operator ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Isn't it? So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ cos x ನ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಈ cos x ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್. Judgment, that's what I'm saying, judgment, proper judgment. So by practice and listen to my every word what I'm saying here. I'm giving all the possibilities which you can think. ನೀವೇನೇನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡೌಟ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So unless until you'll not watch the video, unless until you'll not listen to my words, every word is important which I'm explaining here. It's not a classroom interaction where you can ask, every moment you can ask a doubt. That's not the best way in which we can reach you, we are trying here. But you people are not responding properly only during the doubt session. So, okay, let's come back here. We find 1 minus 3, we find a judgment, proper judgment. 1 minus 3 cos x is equal to t. Okay, otherwise there's no harm. You put cos x is equal to ನೀವು t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ 2 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೇ cos x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 minus 3 cos x is equal to t, and let me complete. ಆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. So I was here with the differentiation, and differentiation of 1 with respect to x is 0. We find minus 3 constant term coefficient, but differentiation of cos x with respect to x, we find another minus that will make plus, and I should say it is plus 3 sin x is equal to, no doubt we have here dt by dx. Okay, so let's balance it. Our required term is only sin x with respect to x, and accordingly I am trying to balance here. We have sin x with respect to x. 3 coefficient can be transferred. We find 1 by 3 times of dt. So ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು I ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದಾಗ I should be ready to integrate. That's the main intention. So ಹಾಗೆ I ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಗಮನ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಹಾರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಹಾರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪವರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ತಿರ್ಗಾ. But only ಇವೆರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. So here we find sin x with respect to x. I can see numerator is 1 by 3 dt. Denominator I find here root symbol ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So I should say it is root of t. So this can be definitely balanced here as 1 by 3. Its integration of t raised to minus half. Minus 1 by 2 with respect to t. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 3 integration is possible. We have x raised to minus, t raised to minus half plus 1. Denominator simplify. We have 1 minus half. 1 minus half is plus 1 by 2 plus c. So let's balance it here. Coefficient 2 comes in numerator, so that we are left out with 2 by 3. T, replace it back. I should take it as 1 minus 3 cos x whole raised to, I should say it's 1 by 2 plus c. This should be the answer. 2 by 3, I is equal to 2 by 3 bracket 1 minus 3 cos x raised to half. Raised to half, it implies it is square root of 1 minus 3 cos x plus it should be answer. So this is one way of solving for 10th question. One more way let me discuss here, one more method. Okay, so 10th question or and alla. So I can also here given as integration of sin x, denominator root of 1 minus 3 cos x with respect to x. So there is no doubt, even you can claim it for, put cos x is equal to t andru kuda tondre illa. So what happens, we are left out with minus sin x, isn't it, is equal to, we have dt by dx. So this will definitely minus can be balanced here, and with respect to required term I can say sin x with respect to x can be taken as minus dt. So let's see what happens with I. I goes to now, see numerator part I should say it is minus dt. Denominator I find it to be square root of 1 minus 3. Cos x matra kaanta ide t anta, hagidre 1 minus 3t. So this term can be taken as minus kept as it is. We have integration of dt. Denominator we find, okay, can I take it as numerator? We have root of 1 minus 3t. So I think one more step I extended here. We have minus of integration of, this is 1 minus 3t raised to half with respect to t. So hagidre the idiya form bantu nodi, it is integration of ax plus b, linear term bartade nodi, raised to n with respect to x, and we know the answer very well. It is ax plus b raised to n plus 1, denominator n plus 1, but x coefficient a should occur, okay, plus c should be the answer. This already we discussed, and based on this so many sums also I discussed. Linear terms ittu anta, linear is the much flexible in the case of integration. It is linear term ni convert agutte nodi. So let's see what happens. We have minus, we have 1 minus 3t raised to half minus 1, denominator it is half minus 1 plus half 1 chapati, subtract minus half chapati, but minus is greater. So we have minus 1 by 2. Simplification this we have done, but t hingade coefficient minus 3 has to be balanced. Minus 3 plus c. Integration is completed. But let's see what happens in the final conclusion. See, minus and minus gets eliminated. These two terms. But still we are left out with here minus sign. Minus occurs in numerator. So that we are left out with the minus. This is denominator. We find minus. This is 2 by 3. Minus into minus plus minus here. We have 1 minus 3t raised to. This is minus 1 by 2. Plus c. Should be the answer. So that we are left out with minus 2 by 3. Okay. This is minus half. Okay, here we are supposed to take it as minus half, which I forgot. I'm sure you people have not done this mistake. We have minus half. So we have minus half plus 1. N plus 1. Denominator, this should go for plus 1 by 2. Okay, this will give us plus here. Okay, I'm sure you people have not gone wrong with this step. We have minus, this is plus. Okay, now it's totally balanced. Let me repeat it here. Here I went wrong here. This is root of 1 minus 3t to be taken numerator, which is minus 1 by 2. So integration is ready now. This minus has occurred as it is. We have integration of this to be taken as 1 minus 3t. Raised to, we have minus half plus 1. Denominator 1 minus half to be taken as plus 1 by 2. Coefficient minus 3 plus c. That's right. Minus minus gets eliminated. Denominator 2 comes in numerator. We have 2 by 3. Into bracket 1 minus 3t. Raised to, we have 1 minus half. This is plus 1 by 2 plus c. So this term, and I could make out a mistake because the solution part should should be same only. And while verifying, I could make out this mistake which I done here. I hope you have not done this. So any hook or crook, you will be getting this as the answer. We have 2 by 3. Square root of replace ಮಾಡಿ Latina. We are left with 1 minus 3 cos x raised to 1 by 2 plus c should be the answer. But this method is an optional or method. The best option I find here, instead of saying here cos x, okay, even though I find 3 constant, 1 constant, our term na bit to neglect ಮಾಡಿ, na cos x na matra ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we'll be reducing the integration process for a linear. But the better option, our cos x ಜೊತೆಗೆ coefficients ಏನಾದರೂ constant term ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the better and the best option I find here is the whole term itself can be replaced by t, which will reduce straight away in terms of standard function. This is the best option. Okay. So, but even if you think about this is a or option and you can go for this is also correct only. But ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ sin x ನ t ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So that's how you have to practice here. Okay, let's move on for the 11th question, and I'm sure easily can guess it now. What should be done with 11th question? So terms are we have integration of 2 minus 3 tan x whole cube into secant square x with respect to x. So we have integration of 2 minus 3 tan x whole cube into secant square x with respect to x. So tan x derivative is secant square, and definitely would like to go for only on tan x, but along with tan x, if I find a constant term, the better option I find here is put 2 minus 3 tan x is equal to t. So that we are left out with secant square. Okay, this is constant, minus 3 kept as it is. Differentiation of tan x, we have secant square is equal to, we find dt by dx. So that we are left out with secant square x with respect to x can be replaced by minus 3 constant. We have minus 3 times that of dt. So let's think about I. We have I left out with this term to be substituted here. We have integration of t cube. Secant square x with respect to x is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is constant, which I can balance with respect to t. So we find minus 1 by 3. Integration, this is t raised to 4 by 4 plus c. So we find minus 1 by 12. Okay, what is t now? T can be replaced by 2 minus 3 tan x raised to 4 plus c should be the answer. Okay. Replacement of t compulsory ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ and this is the best way. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀ tan x ನ ಮಾತ್ರ t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. tan x ನ ಮಾತ್ರ 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we definitely can say secant square x is equal to dt. Dx can be replaced by 1 by 3. Sorry, not 1 by 3 because you are not taken. It's just dt. Can replace it. We are left out with integration of 2 minus 3t ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Whole cube. So linear term ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is also one more option. So I should not stop you from this or option. If you want to say put tan x is equal to t is also correct. That method is also okay. Okay. But let's move on for the next question. We find 12th one. We find the integration of x into e raised to x square with respect to x. Now think. ಎಷ್ಟು possibility ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Put x, okay, put x square is equal to t. That's the only option which first one which I'm guessing here, and that is the correct option also. So put x square is equal to t anta tagondaga we find differentiation. I should say 2x is equal to, I should say it is dt by dx, wherein I can think about x with respect to x can be replaced by half of dt. Nodi x with respect to x. ಹಾಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು x square ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡದೆ e raised to x square ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if at all your possibility goes for this is equal to t. Okay, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, differentiation of e raised to x square is e raised to x square into differentiation of x square is 2x is equal to dt by dx. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು x with respect to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ e raised to x square ಇದನ್ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಲಿ ನೀವು i ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪುಟ್ x is equal to t ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಪುಟ್ x equal to t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ t ಅಂತ. What about this? What about this? So you can't balance it. So only one possibility in this question I find here is put x square whose derivative is available here. It can be easily balanced. So with the proper judgment, let's move on for this. We have x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು e raised to t. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ t ಅಲ್ಲ, e raised to t. ಹಾಗೆ x with respect to x, I have balanced it with half of dt. So here I find 1 by t times of dt. So this is ready for integration. We have 1 by 2. Integration of e raised to t is e raised to t only. Okay, plus c. So we are left out with 1 by 2. It's e raised to t replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. We have x square plus c should be the answer. Okay. So solve it on your own. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. Okay, you can never understand and how to balance the steps and everything is very important here. Presentation, okay, I is equal to the bariyodo, all the steps, put value and claiming and coming back with the I part, every step counts here. That's practice definitely should and must here. So we are left out with next question. We have integration of sin x denominator. We find it is 1 plus cos square x with respect to x. 13th question we are solving. Okay. So what best we can find here is, ನೋಡಿ cos x derivative sin x. Cos square x ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because 2 will be differentiated first. 2 cos x into minus sin x ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So cos square ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 1 plus cos square ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ, it is one coefficient of this term, so will not balance. ಬರೀ cos x ಪವರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೇಡ. ಆದ್ರೆ cos x ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 3 cos x ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ 1 plus 3 cos x is equal to t ಅಂತ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪುಟ್ cos x is equal to t. So that we are left out with minus sin x, isn't it? Okay, with respect to x can be replaced by dt. So minus sign balance it and let's come back with I. What is I here? Sin x with respect to x can be replaced by minus of dt. We find minus of dt, integration of denominator, I should take it as 1 plus t square. Now tell me, what is the integration of, idan bhal jana nenpe harbiಡ್ತೀರಾ. What is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x? Recollect. Answer is, all of you, it is tan inverse x plus c. Or even I can take it as minus cot inverse x plus c is also the answer. So accordingly I am trying to balance here, and I normally now tan inverse x na ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಹಾಗೆ minus na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So we are left out with what I should say here is integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square should be taken as tan inverse of t plus c. So let's say it is I is equal to, we find minus. There's no harm in saying minus to become balance ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, you can even take it as minus of minus plus cot inverse ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Let me give the answer. Standard function normally tan inverse is the best option. Irrele normally answer ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, so according trying to balance it here. We find minus tan inverse of t, replace it back. I should take it as cos x, okay, plus c should be the answer. So or optionally ನೀವು minus tan inverse ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ you can even think about cot inverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we have cot inverse of plus cot inverse of cos x plus c can be the answer. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. minus of minus or option I'm giving. It's better you go for tan inverse only. There's no harm in giving this. But one more option I should take it as cot inverse of cos x. Okay, plus ಇನ್ನೊಂದು constant term. That constant term is different from this. These two terms are once again balanced with respect to inverse trigonometry chapter ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse x can be also be replaced by pi by 2 minus cot inverse x ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, and therefore the terms will get balanced. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಜೊತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ c dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ they are totally different only. Then only these terms are getting balanced. Anyway, this is term not required for you. You just please wind up the answer for this only. It is minus tan inverse of cos x plus c should be the answer. Okay, so ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is ready for integration. We have integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. To be remembered, it is tan inverse x plus c. To be remembered. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು. Fine. So this should be the 13th question answer. Let's move on for 14th solution. 14th question we find, I think easily can guess it. It's integration of cos x, denominator, it is 1 plus sin square x with respect to x. So I'm sure you can guess it now. Put sin x is equal to t, isn't it? So that we are left out with cos x with respect to x is dt. So we are left out with the numerator is dt, denominator we find 1 plus t square. So integration is possible, and let's say it is tan inverse t plus c. So let's wind up the answer. We find tan inverse of sin x, okay, plus c should be the answer. There's no other possibility. There's only one possibility. Please wind up the answer for 14th question. 15th question. Let's move on for 15th question. And the terms are, it's integration of sin inverse x, denominator root of, okay, it is 1 minus x square within a root. So this term can be taken as square root of sin inverse x, denominator it is square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. And what comes in my mind is, see, differentiation of sin inverse x, I know it is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So 1 upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to x can be easily balanced, provided if I'll go for substitution or put, if I'm claiming put sin inverse x is equal to t. Irrespective of root. ಈ root ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ. Root ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ again root will get differentiated, which I don't want to claim here. So put sin inverse x is equal to t, so that we are left with 1 upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to x can be replaced by dt. Yeah. So what is now I left out now? I will be definitely left out with square root of t, which we can integrate it. So okay, I was here with a root of t. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ಕೂಡ replace ಆಗಿ with respect to t, which is ready to integrate. If you want, you can write one more step here. We have integration of t raised to half, okay, with respect to t. So this term can be taken as t raised to half plus 1, which can go for LCM. 2 plus 1, I should say 3 by 2 plus c. So this can be taken as 2 by 3, reverse, reciprocal. t raised to 3 by 2 plus c. And let's balance, replace t here. T we have claimed as sine inverse x. So let's say it is sine inverse x whole raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 it implies square root of sine inverse x whole cube anta agutte. 3 by 2. Yavade karanakku 3 by 2 which is an exponent. Don't multiply this with inverse function symbol. You will multiply maadi matte minus 3 by 2 anta idongilla. Idu exponent, idu inverse trigonometric function in a symbol idu. Regarding this is not exponent. Plus c. So this should be the answer. Yeldu multiply malik hogbedi. Okay, so this should be the answer. 2 by 3 sine inverse x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Similarly, you can go for next question. We find 16th one. Okay, 16th question. We find integration of tan inverse x raised to 4. Denominator we find 1 plus x square. And easily can guess it. What I should say here? Put tan inverse x is equal to t. So that 1 upon 1 plus x square, I mean derivative of this with respect to x can be easily replaced by new variable, that is with respect to t. So we have integration of numerator, we find t raised to 4. This all term 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x can be easily replaced by dt. So we find t raised to 5, denominator 5 plus c can be taken as 1/5 of t. Replace madkondre we had tan inverse x raised to 5 plus c should be the answer. So one more question which I given it in my previous question part only I have given you to solve. Okay, one more is left out. Let's go for this also. And this is 1 upon cos inverse x. We find root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. Integrate. So cos inverse x na claim ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Put cos inverse x is equal to t. So the differentiation minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to x can be replaced by dt. Let's see and properly balance the I. I should be taken as nodi minus sign on balance ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Minus dt ಅಂತ claim ಮಾಡೋಣ. We have integration of minus dt. Denominator cos inverse x I'm claiming it for t. So we are left out with minus its integration of 1 by t. 1 by t daga nodi it's not t raised to minus 1. 1 by t separate special we find minus capital as it is. Again I should take it as log mod of t plus c, and this can be taken as minus log mod of t na replace madkolona. We find cos inverse x plus c. This should be the answer. But minus log anna ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But cos inverse x ಗೆ reciprocal ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. So let's conclude this step as the answer. Okay, this should be the 17th question answer. Now you can try for exercise 7.1. Okay, as well as 7.2 should be homework part for you. Your textbook question. It's in page number 299 onwards you find. Okay, so 7.1 and 7.2 na solve madi. Next video I'll move for 7.1 only, but I want you people to see the question first and solve them. First solve madi questions na. Stand function and substitution. Stand function and substitution. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So go through all these steps and understand. It's not that ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ you have to take the proper judgment, and that's what from my first video I'm asking you formulas na study ಮಾಡಿ, but formulas na apply ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's very important here. Okay, literally I think mind game idhage idu. Questions are quite tricky also, but derivative part alli formulas na nodkonta hodre, derivative na hudukta hodre, then definitely substitution method is not at all difficult for you. Okay, so let me continue in my next video. Thank you. Meanwhile 7.1 7.2 homework, solve them. Thank you.